Did you know that fatty liver disease is reversible with the right steps? In this video, I will show you simple yet powerful ways to heal your liver naturally. Hi everyone, welcome to Your Health Concern. This channel is to educate and inform you about your health and wellness. Subscribe to support your health journey, thank you. In this video, we will discuss effective ways to reverse fatty liver disease naturally. The good news is that, with the right lifestyle changes, you can reverse fatty liver disease and reclaim your health. Watch this video till the end, I have a free gift waiting for you. Let's get started. What is fatty liver disease? Fatty liver disease occurs when too much fat builds up in your liver cells. This can lead to inflammation, scarring, and, over time, severe liver damage if left untreated. However, the liver is a resilient organ and can heal itself if you make the necessary changes. Effective ways to reverse fatty liver disease. Number 1. Improve your diet. The food you eat plays a major role in your liver health. Focus on a balanced diet rich in citrus fruits, berries, green leafy vegetables, whole grains, and also lean proteins like roasted chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes. Cut down on sugary drinks and snacks, processed foods, fried foods and saturated fats. Instead, go for healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. 2. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight is a major risk factor for fatty liver disease. If you're overweight, aim for gradual weight loss through a combination of diet and exercise. Losing even 5 to 10% of your body weight can significantly reduce liver fat. 3. Exercise regularly. Engaging in regular exercise enhances your liver's function by improving fat metabolism and reducing fat accumulation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or other activities you enjoy, most days of the week. Adapt your routine to include both aerobic exercises and strength training for overall health benefits. 4. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is a key component in managing and reversing fatty liver disease. Drinking enough water helps the liver flush out toxins, metabolize fats more effectively, and prevent fat buildup in liver cells. Water supports bile production, which is essential for breaking down dietary fats and aiding digestion. It also improves energy levels, reducing fatigue often associated with fatty liver disease. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to keep your liver functioning at its best. 5. Limit alcohol intake. Alcohol is one of the most significant factors affecting liver health. In cases of alcoholic fatty liver disease, alcohol is the primary cause of fat accumulation in the liver. Continued alcohol consumption worsens the condition. If you have alcoholic fatty liver disease, it is important to completely stop drinking alcohol to give your liver a chance to heal and recover. For individuals with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, while alcohol is not the main cause, it can still burden the liver. Limiting or avoiding alcohol altogether can significantly improve liver health and support the reversal of fatty liver disease. 6. Manage other health conditions. Health conditions such as diabetes, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and obesity are closely linked to fatty liver disease and can accelerate its progression. These conditions contribute to insulin resistance, inflammation, and fat buildup in the liver, making it harder for the liver to function properly. Managing these conditions is essential for improving liver health and preventing complications. Consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice on managing your condition. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Your Health Concern. I have a lot to share with you concerning your health. Thank you. Number 7. Incorporate liver-friendly supplements. Certain supplements are thought to support liver health by reducing inflammation, promoting detoxification, and improving fat metabolism. These include vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant, reducing oxidative stress in the liver, and turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, also omega-3 fatty acids, which may help reduce liver fat and inflammation. Always consult your doctor before introducing supplements into your routine. 8. Regular medical checkups. Consistent medical checkups are essential for monitoring your overall health, including your liver. By scheduling regular visits, your doctor can assess your liver's function, track your progress, and detect any early signs of complications or worsening conditions. These checkups may include blood tests, imaging studies, or other evaluations to ensure your treatment plan is effective. Reversing fatty liver disease is possible with the right steps. Focus on these effective ways to reverse fatty liver disease. Remember, your liver works hard to keep you healthy, so take good care of it. Download your free guide to reversing fatty liver disease using the link in the description box below. You'll also find links to other videos on fatty liver disease. Thank you, stay healthy.